I'm so excited to get Boba. Thinking about cutting my.
Hey, what the fuck?
So I did my eyelashes.
Hey,
So, alam niyo na guys, in the morning, this is what we do. Is that it? Oh, feet. I'm scared. What will you do? I'll protect you. Well, how do you protect me? Show me how you protect me. I'm scared. Oh. How do you protect me? Protect me. Oh. Is this protection or with a hug? Like a very tight hug. And kisses so that mommy will calm down. Not laughing. I love you, Saki. I love you, Mom.